Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here for the first time, you are so welcome and I really appreciate you. Thank you so much for stopping by. So today's video, as you already know from the title, I'm going to be sharing this remedy that will make you to look everyday young. This is by using Vaseline, like seriously, and with other ingredients of course. So if you have not subscribed yet, kindly do so by hitting the red subscribe button. Turn on the bell so you get notified whenever I upload videos like this. So the ingredients are very simple, very natural, and very effective. They are going to help so well to make sure you're always looking younger all the time. So you want to know how to prepare this remedy, keep watching. Do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, share it to everyone. So let's go. So Vaseline is so wonderful. This is highly moisturizing, like it will help to seal in moisture for those that have a dry skin, wrinkled skin, and all that. So this is very good for you, for everyone. You can apply it on your hair. It makes hair to grow faster. You can apply it on your lip. It makes the lip skin very soft, very plumpy, you know. So this is going to help a lot to erase those signs of aging, like seriously. So the first thing we have to do is to add baking soda. So this is our first ingredient before mixing any other thing, okay? 1 tablespoon of baking soda will go a long way. So the purpose of baking soda here will help so well to exfoliate your skin, unclog your pores if you have skin problems. This will help to get rid of it. So the next one to add is sugar. Make use of any sugar, brown sugar or white. This is 1 tablespoon and it's going to go a long way. Sugar here is very exfoliating to help to get rid of dead skin cells, penetrate into your pores to unclog those pores, nourish your skin, make sure your face is looking so vibrant and younger. So it's time to add in my Vaseline, of course, and little goes a long way, okay? 1/2 tablespoon of it is all I need. So almond oil contains vitamin E, a nourishing oil that is going to help to keep your skin from drying out, protect your skin, make your skin younger. So I'm adding 1 tablespoon of it and it's going to go a long way, okay? You can call this a mask, you can call it a scrub. So after mixing it like this, the next thing to do is to go ahead and apply it, show you how to, apply it on your face to make you look younger all the time. So to look younger, to look everyday young, and to have a flawless looking skin, you have to apply this on a washed face. Apply on your neck, apply on your body if you want. So I'm going to mix once more, mix them more. Vaseline is wonderful, like if you want to get rid of tired looking face, dry skin, just try it out. So you can use your hands to apply this, yeah. I'll just go ahead and use my hands because you need to scrub it as you apply. Thanks to the sugar in it, which is going to enable proper exfoliation of, of your skin. So this is a scrub, okay? You can call it a mask because you are still going to leave it after applying it for some time. You can scrub your lip with it to remove dried lip. So after scrubbing it just the way I just did, okay, then you have to leave it on for 15-20 minutes depending on how your skin can cope with it. But there's no side effects, okay? It will not irritate your skin. If you have a sensitive skin, you can go ahead and apply this, but make sure you use a brown sugar, because brown sugar is more mild on your sensitive skin. So you just have to scrub, apply on your neck. If you want to use it all over your body, you just have to increase the ingredients, okay, so that it can be, it can be enough. So just scrub all over, then leave it on for the right time and wash it off. Do not make use of soap, but if you have an oily skin, just use a gentle cleanser to wash it off because of the Vaseline, okay? You don't want your skin to be so oily, okay? So I'm going to leave it on for some time, then I'll go wash it off. I'll be right back. Yes, after washing it off, you can use water, as I said earlier. You can use a gentle cleanser. Your skin is going to be so soft, more youthful. So you have to be repeating this treatment every day, or you can use it 3 times weekly, and that is all. So be consistent with this, you get perfect results. So you just look younger. Yes, if you have wrinkles, gradually those wrinkles will be fading away, getting rid of, okay? If you have dark spots, this treatment is just perfect. If you have a dry skin, it's going to help to get rid of it, finally. So be repeating this treatment every day, or you can use it 3 times, as I said earlier, weekly. Thank you so much for watching. Do subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and also share it to everyone. So I'll see you in my next video.